Okay, hello everyone, and welcome to week 5, otherwise learning unit 5 in our course. And I'm going to do a quick overview. But first, I want to thank you all for making it thus far. This is not an easy course, so the fact that you were able to make it to the last week of the course is very, very good. So let's just go ahead and review what's expected. And let me share my screen and we can go from there. So here we go. All right, so here's our course, our landing page. And as with all the previous weeks, you have our little navigation area here in this particular little part of the page. So just go ahead and click on the Learning Unit 5. That will take you to the kind of the summary and the explanation of the topics for this particular page. And once again, we point to the Cirrus environment as far as our homework and our ebook. And then we have our week at a glance. We have 8 items in here, including our discussion and our learning unit assignments, and then our project. Remember, the project involves these particular aspects, which it's usually a guided activity for you to go through on Cirrus, and then a very brief exam afterwards, or a multiple choice exam. So once again, you do have access to the ebook, but what I would suggest, not to create any confusion, just go ahead and click on the Let's Discuss. That will open up the discussion question. And in this learning unit, the discussion question is centered around Excel. So we'll start with how are charts, and we're specifically talking or speaking to Excel charts. A very, very useful tool as far as creating a visualization for data. So the first part of the discussion is how are charts useful in Excel worksheets, and then name 3 types of charts available in Excel. Describe with an example how each might be used. And you'll discover that these 3 charts are primarily the ones that are extensively used for Excel. Then what are some of the things you can do with a chart to make the information clearer to a reader? And finally, what are some of the things you can do with the chart to make it more visually appealing? So remember, go ahead and respond to that. And then after your initial response, you are required to comment on 2 of your classmates' posts. All right, so let's go back to our navigation page, and I just use the back button in the browser for this. And then we have our lessons and projects, and it's probably easier just to start with the first lesson. In this case, it's under the 2019 category or area, chapter 8, and then there's a tutorial lesson. And a tutorial is usually a list of videos, and mine will take a while because my access to Cirrus is at a higher level. So generally, even with my faster internet, it'll take a while to finally navigate to that page. There's really no need to wait for that. It's essentially the same environment as the last learning units. So just navigate through the 2 lessons or assignments, and then the 5 projects on the chapters 8 and chapters 9. And that's it. You'll be all done with the course. One quick reminder as I stop my share, the course end date is Friday, March, 19th? Yes, March 19th. Please complete your work by midnight on the 19th. And yeah, you will actually do fine. And I do want to thank you all again for making it through the course. And I wish you all much success throughout the program of your choice at Miller Mock. Thank you. Take care.